Chemistry research in the University of Cambridge aims to support fundamental science of the highest quality in a first-class physical environment. The department includes a large number of internationally recognized research groups covering an exponentially broad spectrum of chemical science ranging from molecular biology to geophysics.
Okay, so my name is Matthew Gaunt and I'm a professor of chemistry in the Department of Chemistry at the University of Cambridge, and I'm also the chair of synthetic chemistry research, which is one of the 5 research areas of our department. Cambridge and chemistry at Cambridge has a long history of outstanding research at the cutting edge of the field, and we're very proud of the pioneering work which is going on right now in our department. But as we look forward, we need to try and identify what are the major challenges which face chemistry and in general society in the future.
The enthusiastic research culture at the University of Cambridge Chemistry Department embraces new challenging areas, including strong collaboration with other academic disciplines and institutions, while maintaining a powerful presence in the traditional core areas of chemistry. The department is committed to promoting equality and diversity in all practices and activities, and is proud to hold the Athena Swan Bronze Award. The chemistry department hosts over 200 postdoctoral research staff, over 250 postgraduate students, and around 60 academic staff, including newly independent researchers.
I guess that we make what are defined as small molecules, and so if you think about the pharmaceutical industry, for example, most drugs are small molecules, and so what we do is we invent new ways to make molecules, we design new molecules, and these are really areas of chemistry, synthetic chemistry, which are fundamentally important to the pharmaceutical industry because it's exactly how they make their drugs. We still need better ways to make better drugs, and so synthesis really underpins this whole field. In addition to that, obviously the fields of agrochemicals and the fine chemical industry, these have very similar needs, and so synthetic chemistry and catalysis in particular really allows our ability to make molecules to be expanded across quite a range of different industry sectors.
3 strategic collaborative research areas unify the development of research within the department.
The department has identified 3 key areas which really are going to form part of our strategic research vision for the future, and they are the chemistry of health. Obviously the treatment of disease is going to be integral to our future. Sustainable energy, climate and the environment, and I think we're all aware that those sorts of issues are really going to be very important to the whole world. And also innovative materials and molecular design, which is really how we put together these molecules and materials that may underpin some of the other areas.
Synthetic organic chemistry is fundamental to a huge amount of research within these research areas through small molecular synthesis, catalysis, natural product synthesis, computation, chemical biology, and technology. Chemistry at Cambridge supports a wealth of world-leading, pioneering research in these areas and is engaged in the most up-to-date of advances that affect modern-day society.
So I'm a synthetic organic chemist, and put simply, that's the science of making organic molecules. What we do is design methods and chemical transformations which allow us to make specific molecules which have function that may very well serve a purpose in one of those 3 strategic research themes. And within that area, we're particularly interested in using catalysts. These are chemical entities which enable a chemical transformation to take place, where in their absence actually nothing happens. So they're really enabling chemicals. And we use these catalysts to find ways to put together molecules in innovative and novel ways, which allow us to target the sorts of applications that we would like to. And in particular, one of the main focuses of our research is an area called CH activation. This is an emerging field which allows us to transform essentially inert organic molecules into molecules of function that have the kind of applications that we're really interested in.
The university enjoys unrivaled facilities within chemistry, ranging from the state-of-the-art laboratories to the best analytical equipment that is so crucial to underpinning their research.
I'm really lucky, and my group are really lucky, that we've recently been the recipient of a huge investment from the Department of Chemistry and the University of Cambridge, in that the laboratory, the Yusuf Hamid Laboratory for Chemical Synthesis and Catalysis, has just been opened in September 2015. this is a state-of-the-art research facility for synthetic organic chemistry, which is going to enable us to pretty much do whatever science that we want going forward in the future. And these facilities are essentially unrivaled now in the UK, and we're really excited about what we can do with this opportunity. So when we were considering the type of equipment that we wanted in our lab, we obviously did our homework and looked around at the various options. But one of the reasons why we ended up going in the direction that we did is that I took a team, 4 or 5 members of my group, to visit Shimadzu's research center in Milton Keynes. And we spent the day there. We were able to take some of the routine samples that we would use in our lab on a day-to-day basis. And at Shimadzu, they were able to show us how their instrumentation was able to actually handle the analysis needs that we might have. And to be honest, we were very, very impressed with the setup there, with the support, the helpfulness and the expertise of Shimadzu's scientists. And really, it was quite an easy decision in the end to go with essentially a full suite of Shimadzu equipment, because it really fitted the needs that we had for our analytical facilities.
So, the University of Cambridge Chemistry Department is committed fully to excellence in research with clear areas of focus, a rich history and pedigree in its areas of expertise, and a developing infrastructure to enable students to develop their know-how in state-of-the-art surroundings.
So the thing that drives me in science is asking questions I don't know the answer to. And so what we've tried to do and are trying to do in my research group is work in uncharted fields where we don't necessarily know where we're going at the start, but what we can do is make key discoveries which really turn out to be incredibly important scientific advances which can affect not just synthetic chemistry but also the wider fields of chemical sciences, so that we can actually develop chemistry that makes a difference to people's lives.
If you would like to find out more about developing your own chemistry know-how in an environment of research excellence, please contact www.ch.cam.ac.uk.